To link Afterpay to Apple Pay, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Afterpay app and Apple Pay set up on your device. Open the Afterpay app and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Settings or Profile section, where you will find the option to add a payment method. Select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. You will be redirected to the Apple Pay setup page, where you need to confirm that you want to link your Afterpay account to Apple Pay. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the process. Once you have successfully linked your Afterpay account to Apple Pay, you can use Afterpay as a payment method when making purchases through Apple Pay. When you are ready to make a purchase, open Apple Pay and select Afterpay as your payment method. You will see the available balance in your Afterpay account and can choose to use it to make the purchase. It is essential to note that you need to have an active Afterpay account and sufficient funds available to make a purchase using Apple Pay. Additionally, be aware of any applicable fees or interest rates associated with using Afterpay. By following these steps, you can easily link your Afterpay account to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience of using Afterpay for your purchases.